Hi, and welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. In a previous video, we raided an abandoned Burger King, with permission, and got all of the human hamster tubes that make up the Playland. Now we've brought them out here to Sandland, and we're planning to reassemble them on a nearby hill. So after we brought all of the Playland tubes to Sandland, we told ourselves that we would cover it all and protect it from the elements before it snowed. And then there was a blizzard. So all of the Playland is now frozen to the ground, half covered in snow. So it's going to be a while until this gets stored properly. And we might just leave it here until spring when we can dig it out and haul it up the hill to the field and assemble it up with our other homemade playground structures. Alright, so here it is springtime, and the snow has melted, and our Playland parts from Burger King are revealed at Sandland. We've got them stashed in the parking lot next to the monorail train that we brought out here from the zoo. And Carl has begun bringing some of the Playland parts up to the upper field where they'll be reassembled. So the pile out here is not quite as big as it was, but we still have quite a few of these human hamster tubes sitting around in the parking area. This is a custom ATV trailer that Carl welded together to haul those hamster tubes up to the field. So way over there at the monorail, you can see the play place pieces that we have not yet moved up to the field. And then up here in the field are the rest of the pieces. So we're going to put it somewhere, probably in this big flat spot. We've got some other playground stuff and randomness here, like my kayak trebuchet, the sad remains of the human hamster wheel, which fell apart. Got a couple trampolines, got a big teeter-totter. We've got our orchard and screen porch water tower set up over here. So once we get the rest of those play place pieces up here, we can start assembling the thing. That might be a little... Alright, so we've got most of the play place moved up to the upper field, so I think we're about ready to start assembling this. Stay tuned to see that when we actually get around to doing that part. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.